How to reset the password of Royal Bank of Canada. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to reset the password of Royal Bank of Canada, here is how you can do it. First of all, head over to any of your preferred browser and then go to rbcroyalbank.com. Once that is done, tap on the sign in button which is on the top right corner. This should now open this portal. First of all, provide your client card or the username. Once you have provided your username, you can tap on the next button. This will now take you to the password page. From here, you have to click on the option Reset My Password. Once you tap on Reset My Password, it will take you to this page again. Hereby, you have to verify your name and then your last name and residential postal code. After continuing, you'll have to select how would you like to receive your verification code. It could be phone number or the email address. Select the option and verify the code. Once the code verification is completed, you can set up the new password for your account. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.